In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert small balances to BNB on Binance. If you've got tiny leftover amounts sitting in your account, turning them into BNB can be a neat way to tidy up your portfolio and potentially use BNB for fee discounts. I'll walk you through the mobile app process clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, open the Binance app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so the interface matches what you see here. Once you're in, look for the convert option. Depending on your layout, you might find it right on the home screen or under the trade section. The convert tool is great for quick swaps because it's simple and usually gives you a clear quote without needing to deal with order books. Next, in the convert screen, set the from currency to USDT. USDT is a stablecoin, so it's common to have small leftovers there after trades. Choosing USDT tells the app that this is the balance you want to convert. If you're cleaning up small amounts, keep an eye on any minimum limits displayed. If the amount is too small to convert, the app will let you know, and you can wait until the balance grows a bit. Now set the to currency to BNB. BNB is the token used across the Binance ecosystem, and many people convert small balances into BNB to consolidate and potentially use it for trading fee discounts. Selecting BNB here ensures that your USDT is converted directly into BNB without extra steps. With your from and to field set to USDT and BNB, tap Preview. This is where you get the important details before you proceed. You'll typically see a real-time quote showing how much BNB you'll receive for your USDT. Quotes can change quickly based on market conditions, so there may be a short countdown indicating how long the rate is locked in. Use this moment to double-check everything: the pair, the amount, and the estimated result, if you see any notices about fees, minimums, or rounding. Take a second to read them so there are no surprises. That's it for the setup. By getting to the preview screen, you've confirmed the pair and seen the expected outcome, which is exactly what you need to confidently convert small USDT balances into BNB. If the preview looks right, you'll be prepared to complete the swap when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline those leftover balances into something more useful.